Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix apps not updating automatically on iPhone. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, I have some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, the first solution is enable automatic updates on your iPhone. So for this, open settings, scroll down and tap on App Store, and so you can see guys, automatic upload download, enable this. For this, enable disable low power mode, and so simply enable app updates, app downloads. So after this, go back and the next solution is connect to a strong Wi-Fi network. So for this, open settings, Wi-Fi. So if this Wi-Fi is okay, so after that, so the next solution is check storage on your iPhone. So for this, open settings, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. So guys, check your iPhone storage. If your iPhone storage is full, so clear some storage space on your iPhone. So after this, the next solution is disable low power mode on your iPhone. If you have enabled low power mode, so disable low power mode. So the next solution is disable low data mode for your preferred Wi-Fi network. So for this, open settings, tap on Wi-Fi, tap on the eye icon in the right corner. So here you can see guys, low data mode, tap to turn this off. After turning this off, go back. The next solution is reset all settings on your iPhone. So guys, it will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. Tap on reset all settings. So tap on reset all settings. So guys, the last method is tap on settings, tap on general, tap on software update. So guys, check for update. So guys, if you have available any update on your iPhone, so update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. So guys, here are some simple solutions to fix your issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.